Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a VoxBox from Influenster for free. They sent me these products. They are from BabyBum. So I thought I would open them on camera with you guys so you can take a look at them. Again, this was sent from Influenster and it was absolutely free. You can check out my link in the description. If you sign up using my link, it helps me, it helps you get boxes. It's pretty cool. So, this box is from BabyBum. It is a baby product company. I did already open it so I can take a picture for Instagram. And inside the box, we have a card that gives you information on all of the products, and they are super cool. They are pediatrician tested, hypoallergenic, paraben free, plant-based, and dye-free. So that's pretty cool. And I love the packaging on these. Let me show you guys the packaging. So first we have a little sample of everyday lotion, ultra gentle moisturizer with Manoi coconut oil, aloe, shea, and coconut butter. So that is really cool. Let's take a sniff of this. Ooh, it's got a little safety seal on it so it doesn't. Oh, I love the smell of coconut, guys. It's one of my favorite scents. My favorite scent of all time is honeysuckle, but coconut is right up there. It is vegan, by the way, these products. They do have a vegan stamp on the bottom there. Hopefully you guys can see that, because I can't tell. If not, I'll give you a close-up snapshot. Yeah, so this is just regular everyday lotion, so that's awesome. Can't wait to try that. We got a BabyBum mineral sunscreen lotion, and this comes with a $3 off any BabyBum purchase of $9.99 or more coupon, so that's awesome. If I like it, I'm going to use the coupon. Fragrance-free, SPF 50, water-resistant up to 80 minutes, gentle formula for sensitive skin, plant-based, hypoallergenic, non-nano, I don't know what that means, and it's vegan. Zinc oxide 20% is the active ingredient, if you were wondering. Awesome. Always can use sunscreen here in Florida, and especially since it's almost spring in like 2 months. So sunscreen is gonna be awesome because I want to take autumn swimming. Then we have BabyBum. Oh, I didn't smell that, did I? Probably smells like coconut. Another safety seal. Actually, it doesn't smell as much as the lotion does. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't smell as much as the lotion does. It actually smells, well, it says fragrance free. So it smells, and that one, the lotion says natural fragrance. So that actually just smells like a cream smell. So we'll just rub that in. All right, so yeah, back to this. This is so cute. The packaging on this is adorable. It's actually, the packaging looks a lot different than the packaging on the card, which has like that wood grain, but I'm guessing that it's because these are sample sizes and not full sizes that they look like this. But that is so cute, that little monkey. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love the BabyBum monkey logo. That is super cute. So this is Natural Manoi Coconut Balm, and it's in this little tub. And dermatologist tested, plant-based, gluten-free, dye-free. Melt a small amount of balm in your hands and apply to skin. Cruelty-free, is it vegan? What does that say? Oh, dermatologist tested. I'm guessing all of these are vegan, but this one doesn't have the vegan stamp on it, so I'm not 100% sure. If you are wondering about this one, but this is what it looks like, in case you are wondering. It is a very, oh my god, I don't want to turn it upside down because it is super creamy, liquid. It's super, super creamy. And oh my gosh, this literally smells like a freshly grated coconut. Not that fake coconut smell. It doesn't have that fake coconut smell. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be fantastic for my dry winter knuckles and my ashy elbows and my ashy knees, but it's not for me, it's for baby. And she's probably got my skin, so, oh my gosh. Seriously, it makes me want to eat it. Doesn't taste like anything. It's all natural. Everything in this box is all natural, so why not? Look it. I'm not worried about it. If it's all natural, I'll be fine. Wow. I can't get over how amazing that smells. I should probably put the lid on this because if I do hit it, it will go everywhere because it is super, super liquidy. Wow, that is amazing. It is super shiny, very oily. So if you don't like really oily products, you probably won't like this. I think it's like mostly straight up coconut oil, but oh my gosh, that smells so good. All right, the next thing we got is BabyBum Natural Fragrance Shampoo and Wash. Ultra Gentle Foaming Wash with sea minerals, Minoi coconut oil, banana, aloe, and white ginger. Pediatrician tested. So this is a foaming hair and body wash. Dermatologist tested. Oh my gosh, I can't brain. Hypoallergenic, plant-based, gluten-free, mineral oil-free, phthalate-free, tear-free, and vegan. Oh good, it's tear-free, so that's great. So this is vegan, cruelty-free, pump 2 times into hand or washcloth, massage into baby's skin and hair, rinse, and then follow with baby lotion. Simple enough. Oh, I can't wait to try these, guys. These are awesome. I've kind of like wanted to get away from the whole Johnson & Johnson baby stuff. And this is perfect. I cannot wait to try these. I am super excited. And my favorite part of this package is they included a little stuffed monkey for the child in these packages. Look at this monkey. Look at how adorable this monkey is. So cute. So this is their monkey logo in a little stuffed animal form. How adorable is that? That is really cute. And it's got little ears and little hair piece thingies, little ears, little hands, with the little monkey feet. Little monkey feet. So cute. So cute. So that is everything that is in this package. And this was free from Influenster. Again, if you would like to sign up and get free stuff for yourself, my link is down below in the description. And yeah, hopefully I will post on Instagram another picture. I can't guarantee it. Post another picture on Instagram and with my review of these products, because like I said, I haven't really tested anything yet. I just opened this, so don't know how I'm gonna like it, but we shall see. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.